Where does beauty bloom? Does it blossom within plump purple tulips, spread with dusty pollen that makes you sneeze with an inhale? Or does it rise and fall with ocean tides, pulled by milky waning moons and reflecting on rippling glass surfaces? If beauty comes in spring, echoed by buzzing of bees and lily flowers turned golden, then where does that beauty disappear to when the seasons turn a page? Is beauty as fleeting as a crumbling leaf, a tree turned solemn as its offspring flutter back to earth, back to dust and back to ash, a fragile life reduced to nothing? Or is it something more immortal, a never-dying tune passed through generations, the roots that plant themselves firm, long entwined into rich, raw earth? Each branch, which has been formed not by vibrant foliage, but of the long-enduring winters, ice crystals that pierced through thick layers of bark, under holes pecked by birds of taking, until those ever-changing spindles took on lives of their own, lives told in whispers and stories and aching, creaking wails that echo up through ground, eventually taking flight into bright open air. Perhaps beauty cannot be confined, an ever-changing presence or idea or thought, for in each eye it changes, warped through a stained glass image.
Sure. A little GIB blog.
What's up, guys?
Kaylin, would you say on Hanson?